For the thrust shown, calculate the stress in members CE, DE, and DF. If each member has a cross-sectional area of 1.8 squared inch, indicate tension T or compression C. So, as you can see, na sulat ko na yung figure, na-draw ko na. So, ang gagamitin natin sa problem number 5 is method of joints and method of section. So, yun ang gagamitin natin to solve for the stresses of each members. So, ang hinahanap dito, ang required dito, is the member DF, DE, and CE. So, the only given that we have is the area, which is 1.8 squared inch. So, to start, ang kailangan nating hanapin is ang reaction dito sa A and dito sa F. We have RA and RF. So, as you can see, yung reactions ko is going up, most probably, kasi yung yung force na 30 kips is going down. So, tiglagay ko siya as going up yung reactions ko. So, to solve for reaction of F, kailangan natin mag-summation of moments sa A para maging 0 yung A, or para hindi siya masama dun sa mismong equation ko. So, summation of moments from A is equals to 0. So, ang assumption ko dito sa moment, whenever na upward or counterclockwise yung rotation, it is positive. However, kapag clockwise naman or downward, it is negative. So, summation of moments from A is equals to 0. 30 kips, negative 30 kasi downward, plus multiplied by the distance from A up to this force, 8 plus 8 plus 8. Then meron tayong RF na upward, so plus RF, and yung distance niya from this point up to this point. So, 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equals to 0. So, para makuha natin yung RF, ito transpose natin. Okay, RF 24. Transpose natin itong 30 sa kabila. 30 times 16. Okay, 30 times 16. 30 times 16 is 480. 480. So, para matira dito yung RF, divide natin siya both sa 24. Cancel. 480 divided by 24. Okay, ang RF natin is 20. 20, ang unit is kips. Now, to solve for RA, magsa-summation of forces Y naman tayo. Is equals to 0. So, RA plus yung RF natin, 20 kips. Then, minus 30 kips kasi downward is equals to 0. Ngayon, transpose na lang natin siya. RA is equals to negative 20 kips plus 30 kips. RA is equals to kips. So, ayan. Ngayon, na-solve na natin yung both reaction A and F. So, ba't natin ba siya sinolve? So, yung dapat yung reactions upward is dapat ma-counter niya yung force na downward, which is the 30 kips. So, 20 plus 10 is 30 kips. So, balance siya, na-counter niya na yung 30 kips. So, it's in an equilibrium. So, ayun, dahil na-solve na natin yung reactions A and F, makaka-start na tayo to solve for the stresses of each members. Okay, so to start, magsisimula tayo sa member DF. Member DF. So, ang gagamitin natin na method is method of joint. And we will start at joint F. So, magdodraw lang tayo ng free body diagram ng joint F. So, ayan. So, sa paggawa ng free body diagram, mag-a-assume tayo ng direction ng forces since hindi naman natin alam. So, i-assume ko to as papasok. And i-assume ko tong kabila as palabas. Since hindi naman natin alam kung compression siya or tension, mag-a-assume na muna tayo. Then, mamaya, i-prove na lang via solving. And along this way, meron ditong angle which we are going to solve. So to solve for angle, since ito diba, to solve for this to solve an angle here, meron tayong given na opposite and adjacent, meron tayong 6 and 8. So ang gagamitin natin is tangent. So theta is equal to tangent over, which is opposite over adjacent, 6 over 8. So, ayan. Over 8. So, ang angle natin is 36.87 degrees. So, the value for this angle is 36.87 degrees. So, ayan, ito member DF, member FE, and this is reaction of 20 kips. RF natin is 20 kips. Okay, so to solve for DF, magsa-summation of forces Y lang tayo. equals to 0. Okay. Dahil upward to, 20 kips is positive. Yes. And ito is downwards. Minus DF sine angle 36.87 degrees is equals to 0. So, transpose natin. DF sine 36.87 is equals to 20. So, divide natin both side by sine 36.87 and 36.87 para matira lang yung BF. Cancel. So, 20 divided by 36.87 is equal 36.87 is equals to 33. DF is equals to 33.33. So, ayan. Ang DF na nakuha natin is 33.33. Unit natin is kips. And compression. Since papunta dito nagka-compress siya. Okay, we have this compression. And now we will solve for the stress. So to solve for stress, ang formula natin is stress is equals to P over area. So ang stress for DF natin is stress for DF is equals to value of P is 33.33 kips over ang area natin is 1.8 square inch. Okay. 33.33 divided by 1.8 to answer is the stress is equals to 18.52. 18.52 okay, kips square inch KSI. Okay, nakuha natin ang stress ng member DF. So, ngayon, to solve for CE, magsa-summation of moment tayo at point B is equals to 0. So, bakit ba point B yung naging parang reference point natin? Kasi, as you can see, meron tayong dalawang unknowns, the BD and the BE. So, kung magsa-summation of moments tayo dito sa B, yung BD and BE is magiging 0. So, hindi na sila kailangang isama doon sa kailangan nating isolve. So, ang kailangan na lang nating isolve is itong member CE. So, for member CE, meron tayong X and Y component. So, ito, component Y natin. CE cosine, and itong component component X, CE cosine, and component Y towards B, CE sine. So, dahil towards dito naman siya sa B, magiging 0 siya. So, ang kailangan na lang natin i-consider is itong CE cosine. So, to solve for summation of moment B, 10 kips, 10 kips multiply by the distance from A to B, which is 8. Then, ito nga sa x component ng CE, CE cosine so CE cosine cosine with respect to the angle 36.87, then the distance from this point up to this point, which is 6 multiplied by 6 is equals to 0. So to solve for CE, ano lang tayo? Ay, ano pala to? Negative kasi ano siya, away from the center. So, ayun, nakalimutan ko ilagay. So, to solve for CE, transpose lang, CE cos 36.87 times 6 is equals to 10 times 8. Then, cosine 36.87 times 6 is equals to CE 4.80 is equals to 10 times 8 is equals to 80 divided by 4.80, cancel. So, meron tayong 16.67 sa ating member CE. CE equals to 16.67. Tension. Kasi, away from the B. Then, to solve for the stress, yung dati lang, the formula na ginamit natin for stress is equals to P over A. Substitute lang. Stress CE. P natin is 16.67. The unit is kips. 16.67 kips over the area natin, which was 1.8 squared inch. Okay, the answer is 9.26 for stress CE. 9.26 KSI. So now, to solve for member DE, ang gagamitin ulit natin na method dito is by joint method. Okay, at joint E. So, gawa ulit tayo ng free body diagram. Meron tayong member DE. Member EF. Ito yung ano natin, yung 30 kips natin. And ito naman yung ano natin, ito yung member CE natin, which was equal to 6. So, itong member CE natin, which was equal to 16.67, and ito yung member BE, DE, EF, and ito yung force natin na 30 kips. So, ang kailangan lang naman natin ditong i-consider is itong dito sa summation of forces Y is itong CE and itong 30 kips kasi sila lang naman yung nasa vertical So, ngayon, magsosolve naman tayo for member CE. So, ngayon, dito parte ako magka-cut. Dito parte. Ayan. So, dito ako nag-cut kasi, i-consider ko yung left part nung system. Ito naman yung isosolve ko yung this section. This is the point B. This is this part is E. So ngayon, to solve for CE, magsa-summation of moment tayo at point B is equals to 0. So, bakit ba point B yung naging parang reference point natin? Kasi, as you can see, meron tayong dalawang unknowns, the BD and the BE. So, kung magsa-summation of moments tayo dito sa B, yung BD and BE is magiging 0. So, hindi na sila kailangang isama doon sa kailangan nating isolve. So, ang kailangan na lang nating isolve is itong member CE. So, for member CE, meron tayong X and Y component. So, ito, component Y natin, CE cosine, and itong component, component X, CE cosine, and component Y towards B, CE sine. So, dahil towards dito naman siya sa B, magiging 0 siya. So, ang kailangan na lang natin i-consider is itong CE cosine. So, to solve for summation of moment B, 10 kips, 10 kips multiply by the distance from A to B, which is 8. Then, ito nga sa X component ng CE, CE cosine, so CE cosine, ito yung member CE natin, which was equal to 6. And there it goes, na satisfy natin yung mga required, nasagot natin yung mga questions for member DF, DE, and CE, nasagot naman natin. Ito na siya. Ayan. So, ito na i-consider natin kasi nga, sila lang yung nasa y-axis. Hindi naman natin kailangan i-consider itong BE and EF natin kasi nasa x-axis naman sila. So, sila lang. So, ang ating DE is going up. DE minus itong CE natin. 16.67. Downward kasi siya, kaya negative siya. 67, and then ang angle natin dito is yung sine 36.87 pa rin. Then itong 30 kips minus 30 kips is equals to 0. So ayan, transpose lang natin ulit. DE is equals to 16.67 sine 36.87 plus 30. Okay. 16.67 sine 36.87 plus 30. So, DE is equals to 40. Ayan, 40 yung ilalagay natin. Unit natin is keeps. Siya ay tension, and solve for stress. Stress is equals to P over A. Stress DE is equals to 40 keeps divided by 1.8, which is the area natin, square inch. DE is equals to 40 divided by 1.8. Answer is 22.22 KSI. And there it goes, na satisfy natin yung mga required, nasagot natin yung mga questions for member DF, DE, and CE, nasagot naman natin. Ito na siya.